Hello, dear students in ICT for ELT in the Masters in TEFL at Universidad ICT. Teaching with technology today is a very different story than it was 3 years ago. 2020 and 2021 taught us the importance of evidence-based learning, mastery-based learning, and the ability of our students to learn to use new technologies. But also, it taught us about our ability to adapt to any situation. In this course, we are going to discuss the importance of learning theories for the implementation of technology so that we can go beyond the mere use of digital tools. Yes, we might know how to use Kahoot, Padlet, and all these amazing tools that we learned during the pandemic. But do we know how to create learning experiences for our students that respond to their variabilities and their needs? Do we know how to maximize students' potential and how to engage them and motivate them to the fullest? Do we know how to leverage all the use of these technologies for our students' learning of the language? Okay, in this course, we are going to reflect on that. We're going to learn about that, and we're going to share all the experiences that you and I bring to this classroom. Can't wait to meet you. Welcome to ICT for ELT.